This is Miss Cheyenne. Mrs. Stoltz and I wanted to record a quick video to help you and your parents find the visual learning videos for your math lessons that you're going to be doing at home. I'm starting at the district website. You can start here or follow the link that we put in your daily lesson plan page. If you start here at the district website, you're going to go to Parents and Students, then click Pearson Easy Bridge. Click this long rectangle here. It's going to take you to the login page. I believe this is the page that the link we sent will take you to also. So either way, you're going to get here. Now, my username and password obviously is different than yours. Your username and password are on the little strip of paper we sent home in your pencil boxes, and also it is available in your binder on your passwords page. If for some reason you don't have either one of those, let us know and we can help you out. So then you'll sign in. It's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. You're going to click on Math. So Envision Math. Hopefully your internet moves a little quicker than mine. Then it may take you to a page that looks like this. You're still just going to find Envision Math. Click on that. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the topic we're on. We're going to start on topic 12. So you're going to click topic 12. Then you're going to scroll down and find the right lesson. Our first lesson is lesson 12-6. You'll click on that. Then you'll scroll down a little bit more until you find the area that says visual learning. You're going to click on that and that will take you right to the video that you're going to watch for that day. And that is it. Please let Mrs. Stoltz or I know if you have any questions about this, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.